Current camera options for the Dragonflyer X6 helicopter include a 10 megapixel digital still camera, a high resolution 1080p video camera, a thermal infrared camera useful for search and rescue and identifying people based on their body heat. Also, another camera package is the low light camera, which is suitable for dawn and dusk use and is sensitive to very, very dim light. A special anti-vibration camera mount holds each of the cameras and isolates it from the vibration of the helicopter while it is flying. Integrated into this mount is a tilt control, which provides 90 degrees of tilt. You are able to see a real-time helicopter's eye view of what the camera is seeing. This is achieved by using an onboard wireless video transmitter, which transmits to the dual diversity receiver inside of the handheld transmitter. The maximum payload that this helicopter is able to carry is 500 grams or 1 pound. Overall, the helicopter itself without payload weighs 1 kilogram or just over 2 pounds, so it is able to lift half its own weight as payload.